back to the channel. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to do two things. We're going to get a sound comparison. I have a 12 valve VR6 with 276 TT cams, so we're going to get a nice sound clip of that driving and idling, and then maybe in a different video, whatever, but I'm going to show you guys how to swap cams, you know, put bigger cams in your car with the engine still in the car. It's pretty easy. I'll show you how to do that. And then after that, we'll have the 288s in, trading them with my buddy, and then we'll see how the cams sound. With the 276s, I've had them in there for years. They sound great. I've never had any sort of issues idling, driving, stalling, nothing like that. But I hear that that is a concern with the 288s, so we'll have to see how they work. What we're gonna go do is start the car up, get the nice idle, get a little drive around, and then we'll pull it in and take it apart. We're gonna be changing the cams out, so we're gonna get the last drive on the 276s. Yeah, that's it. And then we'll be pulling it in the garage when we're done. These cams sound so good, and at night it's so cool. Like if I have the headlights on at night, the dash lights will be flickering with the cam. So I'm really hoping that the 288s are that much better. One thing I would note off of this is that this is a stock chip tune car just with a watt box. That's why I got a launch control button. But what I revved this out to 8,400 with the 276s, and power does fall off up top. I don't know when. I've never dynoed it. It could be many issues, but just keep that in mind, because if the power pulls with the 288s, I'm gonna be ecstatic. I can do launch control while I'm driving. So just hit the button. So hopefully you guys got all the good things with the 276s. Time to go pull it in.